Hey, my trolls, we are back with another Dills or Stills or Neither. Today is March 26th, so keep that in mind because some of these didn't have an end date. And for QVC stuff, when it's gone, it's gone. But let me show you something. I'm glad my hydrocortisone cream came today from the doctor. Something's been chewing me the hell up. Y'all would swear I live in the country in the woods. Look at this. What the heck is that? And look at this on the back of my neck. Can you see that? I don't know if y'all can see that. And look at this arm. What? Yo, I am the sweetest troll ever. And it's like, where? And it, Anyway, so let's get to the stills and deals. I just needed to commiserate because I know y'all understand. Because when I'm always saying there's always something with me. What the hell? Look at this and this. So the cream came today and I'm excited. So after this video, I'm hydrocortisoning down. So the first thing we're going to talk about, if you're new here, welcome. I call this the Crazy Troll Nation, and you see why. Because I just jump in sometimes with my personal business. Because y'all my troll fam, y'all my kinfolk. Yeah, we're going to talk. So the first thing I'm going to mention is not the QVC. Well, we are going to talk about that later. Cover Effects website. They are having 50% off. There is a code. And when you click on, if you go to Cover Effects website, it pops up. And it says for new customer offer, which I think it means, because I've done this that I said before, so, and not for Cover Effects, but other websites where, you sign up for emails, yada, 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 and then they'll have, new customer deal. Sign up under a different email address, and it'll recognize you as a new customer. So if you are a Cover Effects lover, or if you're wanting to try some of their products, I'm going to just put a bunch of products up over here just for you to see. But all of this stuff, the pictures I did take borrowed from the Cover Effects website, and everything it says is 50% off. You use the code CFX50, new customer offer only. So again, if you've already signed up previously on the Cover Effects website, use a different email address and it should show up in your cart as 50% off. So that is the Cover Effects stuff. Their foundation range lately has been dwindling, so I don't know if they're just phasing out certain things or just reformulating, and then the shades aren't the same shades that they were before. I used to wear, perfect shade for me was G60 and the Power Play foundation, and then I started having trouble finding it. And so I swatched it in store one day and went around swatching other foundations, and that's how I found out that the Estee Lauder 4N2 is the exact same shade as the Cover Effects G60. So I don't know what they're doing with their foundation shades, but they have primers, different types of primers for your face. They have, there's a, it's a trio palette. It looks really pretty. I can't speak to the texture. And then they have the duo with the highlighter and the blush. They were out a while ago and I tried it, and I think I might have got old ones and I forget where I got it from, but I really didn't care for it. But some people really love it. So if you're wanting to try anything Cover Effects, it's 50% off. And Cover Effects is pretty pricey. So if it's something that you see that you want, it's 50% off. Just sign up under a new email address so you can get that 50% off using that code. Curious about the look? I got so many compliments on this look. This eye just had a pain. You'll see this look, I think, Wednesday. But anyway, I know it looks nice, right? Thank you. I did freshen up my lip because where I went, I did have a salad. Murad website, 25% off friends and family sale. The code is family25. It is time sensitive, but I don't know when it ends. When I signed on today, logged on to the Murad website today, there was a timer that was running down 11 hours. But here's the thing. I don't know if I signed on now, would it still be 11 hours? Or, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know. So if it's no longer 25% off site-wide, excuse me for smacking, please forgive me. And I try to find these things and post them because I think I'm going to stick with Saturdays, posting the deals or stills or not videos on Saturdays. And so I try to wait till midweek. Today is only Tuesday though. But then because editing is time consuming, I don't want to wait till Friday. So forgive me if the sale is no longer on, but as of today, which is Tuesday, and you'll see me Saturday, 25% off site-wide on your ad. And I saw that ad on Instagram. So if you are on Instagram and the things that I'm showing you and telling you about sound good to you, keep an eye on the ads on in your Instagram feed. And if you're not on Instagram, hopefully if I'm showing you something you're curious about or curious enough to just go to the website and browse around, then I do hope that you do get some good steals, and if not, at least a deal. So we're back to QVC again today. I have a feeling we're going to be on QVC every week. And yeah, because the prices sometimes are steals. So we have here It Cosmetics Superhero Waterproof Shadow Stick. It's a 4-piece set for $67. Excuse me, it would be $100 if purchased separately. Superhero No Tug Waterproof Eyeshadow Sticks glide on and blend out effortlessly. Why was it so hard to say effortlessly? It took effort to say effortlessly. Blend out effortlessly with your fingertips or a brush. They're formulated with tripeptide complex, hydrolyzed collagen, and caffeine to help give you younger looking eyes. I need to slow down. I had Mountain Dew when I had my salad. There's 4 shades. There's Silk Armor, which is a shimmer, Gallant Gold, which is a shimmer, Courageous Cream, which is a matte, and Transformative Taupe, which is a matte. So if you like cream eyeshadow sticks, and these are waterproof, so I'm guessing if you have oily skin, they may work for you. And if not, at first, I would say still just put your regular primer on and then put these on. But if you do like shadow sticks, because they're convenient to travel with, and if you do use your fingers for makeup, these are extremely easy to travel with. You just swipe them on, and you can use your finger to blend it out. You don't need to use a brush unless you want to. I would use a brush because I don't use my fingers for makeup. But these seem like they would be very handy to travel with. Put the cap on and throw it in your bag. Like no mess, nothing's going to break, it's not going to crack, that type of thing. And so I thought it would be helpful, or at least useful. Useful is the word. Useful information for those of you who do like shadow sticks. And you do have the 4 different colors. You can do one and dones. You can mix and match the colors. Put one of the shimmers on the lid. Put one of the mattes on the outer corner and just blend it out, and you're good to go. Put one on your lower lash line, and you're good to go. And so that's why I included that this week. I try to include things that I think someone may be interested in, and even if it's something I don't use, like I don't use shadow sticks, but if it seems like it's good and it's a solid product, and I know It Cosmetics, I hear good things about the brand, I'll put it that way. And so that's why that's here. The last thing we're going to talk about is also It Cosmetics Confidence in Your Day and Night Routine. It's a 3-piece set. It's $79.98. You save 34% off of the price, which was $122. And so instead of the $122, you're paying $79.98. And I don't know if it's still going on right now, but QVC was having free shipping, which adds up because sometimes the shipping is almost like $10. So factor that into whether it's a deal or a steal, because it might be like, oh, that's a steal, but then you add shipping, it's like, okay, it's a deal. But either way, you're saving money. And from my experience, they charge shipping for each product. So like if I got the shadow sticks, they would charge me shipping for that. And even if I also ordered this set, they would charge me shipping for that. So when you add that up, it's kind of like, why? When I ordered the other stuff, they charged me shipping for each item, but then they shipped it in the same box. But the price was really good, so I was not upset at all, because I did save literally hundreds of dollars. So I wasn't tripping over it, but I was just like, that's just strange. But anyway, Confidence in the Cream Anti-Aging Hydrating Moisturizer is now supercharged to deliver hydration than the original formula. Okay, I copied and pasted this from the QVC website. So let's read it in a way that makes sense. Confidence in a Cream Anti-Aging Hydrating Moisturizer is now supercharged to deliver more hydration than the original formula, so you can experience visible results for wrinkles, firmness, plumpness, and more. With high concentrations of niacinamide, squalane, and peptide lipid complex, is proven to improve the signs of aging skin in 2 weeks. Y'all let me know. I've tried one of their creams before. My skin didn't like it. But I know a lot of people really love It Cosmetics skincare. So that's why this is in here. Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep Night Cream is 2 fluid ounce. Gives you the skin of your dreams while you sleep. After just one sleep, you'll wake up to hydrated, revitalized skin that feels smoother and suppler. Yes, it's suppler. Formulated with Formulated with triple antioxidants, vitamin C, ferulic acid, and polydatin. Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep Triple Antioxidant Brightening Serum, 1 fluid ounce. I feel like I'm yelling. I probably am. Excuse me. Is a formula that combines both brightening and anti-aging skincare benefits in 1 bottle. Apply it underneath Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep Night Cream, which was the first thing that we talked about, and wake up to glowing skin. How do I use it? I copied and pasted this from QVC. And I'm good, right? And I edited it down so I wouldn't keep repeating the same things 3 times. In the morning after cleansing, apply Confidence in a cream to face, neck, and décolletage using upward sweeping motions. In the evening after cleansing, apply 1 pump of Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep Serum to clean fingertips and evenly disperse serum onto your forehead, cheeks, T-zone. Gently massage into the skin, allowing the product to fully absorb. Be sure to avoid eye area and lips. What? Don't get this in the eye area and don't get it on your lips. I don't know what it's going to do. Don't try it and find out, because I don't want you to let me know. Like, don't do that. Then seal your serum by applying Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep Night Cream generously to face using upward sweeping motions. So those are the 3 things in there. I would say it's a deal. You're saving 34%. You add shipping, you might be saving 25%. So if you know that you do like one of these 3 items, excuse me, because It Cosmetics skincare is expensive, I would say just get the whole set to try the other 2. So you are getting what looks to be full-size products. The night cream is 2 fluid ounces. The serum is 1 fluid ounces. And that's the typical amount for creams and serums. And so that's what we have for this week. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know. Oh, here's a good question, because I know I'll just be asking questions randomly off the top of my head. But this one is a good question. This one is a good one. Let me know if there's any particular brand you want me to try to find deals or steals for, instead of me just going through and just trying to find things that I think you would be interested in. So that's the question. Are there any particular brands you want me to try to find deals or steals for? Yeah, and we're going to leave that there. Thank you for being with me. I'm going to go put this hydrocortisone cream on the back of my neck and on both of my arms and watch another episode of Dahmer. My cousin has me watching that, and it's y'all. But anyway, thank you for being here. Let me know if you're enjoying this. If so, thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. Either way, if you've been here before, go ahead and subscribe. Click the notification bell. If you do videos, click the share button. Share this on your community tab. You know, let people know, hey, Dion is letting us know how to save some money here. Yeah, so do that. Woo, I can feel it now. When this Mountain Dew wear off, I'm a crash. And also, if you're interested in joining, there's a link for that, and there's other information and links down below. I don't have any links for anything I'm telling you about. Do I have a thing for Murad? I do have a Shop My link for Murad, but for QVC and Cover Effects, I don't. So that it's just, this series is me just sharing information with you. So you don't have to be like, oh, she's pushing codes or anything, because I'm really not. If you want to go through the Shop My store for them, Murad, you know, feel free. And if not, that's okay too, because I just want you to save money. And hopefully that sale still is going on. And if not, please forgive me. because I do try to look for when stuff ends. And so that'll be it for this video. Thank you for being here and tolerating all of the craziness that is a part of the Crazy Show Nation. And you will see me next Saturday, unless something goes wacky, with another Dills or Stills or neither for episode 4. And so thank you so much, and you will see me soon.